so fascinating to see all these things right here I didn't even know existed. Welcome back to another video, everyone. I'm really excited to share with you a free museum that I found right here in LA at Griffith Park. It's called the Travel Town Museum.
Our adventure begins at the entrance of Travel Town, a charming and nostalgic spot that's free to the public. With its vintage trains, sprawling green lawns, and captivating exhibits, it's truly a step back in time. So let's dive right in and explore what this place has to offer.
This museum is so interesting. Besides being free, this is a great place to come here to see different locomotives and engines. I think it's so fascinating to see all these things right here I didn't even know existed.
Travel Town offers delightful miniature train rides that wind through the scenic landscape. It's an absolute treat for kids and families, and a perfect way to enjoy Griffith Park's beauty from a different perspective.
You guys can rent one of these out for a party. It's pretty interesting. There's a party in there right now, invitation only.
From steam engines to diesel locomotives, Travel Town houses an impressive collection of vintage trains that have played a vital role in shaping America's transportation history. It's like a railway museum come to life, with each train telling its own story. Before you leave, make sure you stop by the gift shop. Here you'll find a variety of souvenirs, books, and mementos that will remind you of your visit to Travel Town. Plus, the knowledgeable staff are always eager to share fascinating facts about the trains and history.
I just bought a handcrafted soda from the museum store. It's actually pretty good. Those nice, beautiful, hot days.
In this area, you can partake in guided tours of the trains from helpful staff, which makes this place a fun and informative place to visit. Inside the exhibit hall, you can walk around and see the many exhibits, which include old models of vehicles, transportation before trains, and learn more about interesting railroad history.
They used to have a leopard in this car right here. That's pretty cool. For $4, you can purchase a ticket to get on a little train ride that takes you around the park 2 times. It's about to start right now. And that concludes our video on Travel Town Museum. It's really fun, it's free, you can't complain about that. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Be on the lookout in the near future for, we're gonna have a video on all the best places to see in Griffith Park. Should be out pretty soon. And with that, we'll see you on the next one.